VIP. Let's kick it.
The Arctic tundra biome is found almost entirely in the northern hemisphere.
Collaborate and listen.
In the southern hemisphere, it is found on isolated islands off of the coast of Antarctica, as well as on the Antarctic Peninsula.
I don't know.
Specifically, the tundra is located in northern Alaska,
Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle.
Iceland,
Speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom.
Greenland,
When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony.
Norway,
Leave it. You better gain weight. You better hit bulls out of kid don't play.
and Finland.
Yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
Yearly, 15 to 25 centimeters, or 6 to 10 inches of snow, including melting snow, falls in the tundra. The average winter temperature is negative 34 degrees Celsius or negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The average summer temperature ranges from 3 to 12 degrees Celsius or 37 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit. The soil formation process occurs at a slow pace. The soil in a tundra is permanently frozen subsoil called permafrost, consisting mostly of gravel and finer material. When water saturates the upper surface of the soil, bogs and ponds form, providing moisture for the existing plants. However, there are no deep root systems in the vegetation of the Arctic tundra because these types of trees are unable to survive under a tundra's harsh climate and are limited by a tundra's short rooting depth. The flow of energy from the sun through an ecosystem can be illustrated in a food chain. Energy is lost in the form of heat at each level of a food chain, which means that the number of individuals at each successive level decreases. For example, within a food chain, there are always more producers than primary consumers, and more primary consumers than secondary consumers or tertiary consumers. Decreasing available energy and population sizes in a food chain are illustrated by an energy or ecological pyramid. While food chains are a useful teaching tool, their simplicity doesn't actually capture the complex relationships within a biome or the fact that any one organism may be part of several food chains. A food web, which illustrates the overlap between multiple food chains, more accurately depicts the flow of energy in an ecosystem.
Like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say, damn, if a rhyme was a drug, I'd sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose. Magnetized by the mic while I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while DJ.
3 types of flora in a tundra are lichen, moss, and Arctic poppies. Lichen grows very close together. Moss grows very short and is resistant to wind, and Arctic poppies need less light and less energy than plants in other biomes.
Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.
3 types of fauna in a tundra are caribou, Arctic fox, and musk ox. The caribou breed in September and October, and the calves are born in May and June. An Arctic fox has additional insulation from fat, and a musk ox has an ankle-length overcoat of fur.